Okay guys, so I'm here to change one of these mixing valves that I've removed already from this position. As you can see, in this changing room, in this shower area, this mixing valve's messed up. It's a good quality valve, Bristol, but it's not mixing anymore. So I need to remove this and replace it with another. However, if you have a look, we have 3 olives that I'm going to replace because I don't like to put new valves on old olives and old nuts. So I'm going to be removing these 3 olives and put new olives and new nuts to go with it, which is this thing here, these arms, as you can see. So 2 arms to go onto the new valve with 2 new olives. Now to remove those olives, I'm going to be using this Pitbull olive puller set that I've purchased from the Killinghall DIY. In fact, the Plumbing and Heating Centre on Killinghall Road in BD3. So I've purchased this for £22.99 and it's the first time I'm going to be using this. So let's have a look what's inside of it and then I'll show you in action to see how it works. Okay, so let's open it up. It's always more difficult doing stuff with one hand. Well, let's see if I can show you what's inside of it, how it looks like. Okay, there we go. A bit more. Okay, cool. So as you can see, it comes with a 15 and 22mm olive puller. So that's the 22mm version that we need. All we need to do is we need to basically, so the way it works is currently we have this nut on the pipe and the olive is compressed. So we are literally going to, let's assume that's the scenario that we have and there's a pipe there. So we're literally going to put this into the pipe and put that nut on here on this thread, and then when you nip it up from this side here, that you can put in your drill as well, but I'm just going to be using my adjustable spanner. That should then pull the old olive along with the nut out. So let's give it a go. Let's have a look. Okay, so to put this thing on, all we're going to do is, sometime you have this threaded all the way back, like so, for example. And if that is the case, you may find that when you do that, this nut is not going to reach, obviously, even in this position where it's fully pulled out. So what we need to do is we need to put this thread almost all the way out, or where you think it's going to reach that nut. For example, if you put it there now, it's a lot closer, but it's still not going to go. So we need to undo this all the way out. It does come to a stop. So now, as you can see, the actual barrel inside, that's gone all the way back. So now if we put that in, it's touching the olive. So now we can put this nut on it, like so. And then what we need to do is we need to nip this up first, as far as it goes. And then we're just going to tighten this bit here, and that will pull our olive. Let's have a go. Okay, so using either adjustable spanner, a drill if you wanted to, or even a small ratchet, you can actually make this process a bit easier. But as we are tightening this now, you will find, can you see this mark already? So that's how much is pulled out already. So let's keep doing that up until it's fully out. Can you see? It's happening, it's happening, it's happening. I just need to do this 3 times. It's working perfectly fine as it should. Okay, here we have it. There you go. So the nut and the olive is out. Let's just remove this. And the olive and the nut is just going to come out like so. Let me just undo this. I'm going to have to put my adjustable spanner on it. this way. can see it. And now it makes it a lot easier. Okay, so just undo it slightly. And there you go. That's the old olive. And that's a nut. So we can easily replace that. And now we just need to do this twice more. So that's how you use one of these. It's a great piece of kit for the price. And if you want to buy one, just go to the Plumbing and Heating Centre, and they have a website and they can post it out to you as well. And you can get it for a very reasonable price. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to drop me a line in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.